What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I want to make this video super short. I just want to let you guys know that from here to the end of the year I will be completely free. So if you guys want any custom work, any custom rugs, just let me know. Message me on Instagram at 95shoots. I'm quitting my job just because that job sucks ass, and I thought, why not just quit and then just grind it out for the rest of the year until I find another job, which I'm assuming is probably going to be towards the end of the year and or in the beginning of the year. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna be completely free. I'll be able to make more videos because I know I've been super MIA, and I don't kind of hate it. I really hate it that I've been super MIA. And yeah, I'm gonna be more active on Instagram. I'll be more active on YouTube. And with that being said, if you guys have any ideas for videos that you guys haven't seen out there and you guys want me to create, let me know in the comments down below. So yeah, I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous, but I'm more excited than anything. But yeah, message me on Instagram. Let me know if you guys have any ideas for whatever it is, a project, you know, a certain video idea. You guys want to commission work off of me, so on and so forth. As far as the rug behind me, don't worry, that's not going to be your rug. It's my friend's rug. He's a really good friend of mine, and he knows I've been super busy, so I haven't finished it yet. But I'm going to finish it right before I leave because I leave this week, and I don't want him to wait another week and a half. So I'm going to finish it tomorrow and give it to him by like the next 2 days. So don't worry, your rugs will come out within, I would say, usually it would take me about a week. Yeah, about a week to finish a rug, depending how big it is or how small it is. It doesn't take that long. It does take up some time, but it doesn't take that long as you're consistent with working on it. And yeah, so I think that's it. I don't know what else to say, other than if you guys are not subscribed, please do so. And your boy's back, so let's get it. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.